Okay guys, Train Spoiler HD and welcome back to another new video. I am at Exeter St David's on this rather sunny Friday afternoon. Thought I'd come by to make another little session here as I was coming to the station anyway, so I thought, well, I might as well make a video, why not? I'm planning to make a video at Taunton tomorrow morning, all being well. I'm hoping to catch all the rail tours going through tomorrow morning. I won't be able to record the return journeys of the rail tours tomorrow, but I can record them in the morning when they come down. So here's the Great Western Railway service to London Paddington. It's at 8:02:006 and 8:02:022 at the back.
This is a security message. If you see something that doesn't look right, speak to staff or text the British Transport Police on 61016. We'll sort it. See it, say it, sorted.
Yeah, there's that one. We've got the 150-261 down the line here. The 150-261 is the number on that one. That's only a 2-coach train. Yeah. I noticed in this week there's been a lot of just 2-car services on the Exeter to Payton line today. So yeah, and the remainder of the week it's been like that. So yeah, not just today. So yeah, as you can see, it's rather busy on platform 3 there. As you can see, a lot of passengers waiting. I'm not sure why. Can't imagine all those passengers on platform 3 waiting for the Barnstable service. That would be something, wouldn't it? So yeah, a lot of people waiting there. Unless some people are waiting for the Payton service perhaps as well. So yeah, that's a lot of people. Like me. So in this video you'll see services from Great Western Railway, Crosscountry and South Western Railway in this video. I'm going to they keep the current rolling, so I think this service to Exeter is about to go out on time as well. That one. So the length of this video probably won't be super long, but it's another little extra video nonetheless. So yeah. Right, what else have we got? Got another IET coming in. That's what we got. From London Paddington, of course, going to, I believe, Penzance. But yeah. I'm surprised all those people waiting on platform 3. I'm pretty shocked at that. Bloody hell. Huh. Just keeping my eye, just waiting to see if the Barnstable service comes in as well. This is 800-320. Okay, so I think the Barnstable service is about to come in, I think. Have to excuse my voice, guys. I'm got a bit of a dry throat, a bit of a tickly dry throat. And is in course my follower, 158959. Thought it's a matter of time until I see this one again. Not much room on that train. There she is anyway. We also got a South Western Railway service coming in as well. Going to London Waterloo, but obviously we'll see that go out in a few minutes. So we'll come back then. Okay, about to go out now will be the Great Western Railway service to Penzance. Believe it or not, this is actually on time.
South Western Railway service to London Waterloo via Salisbury, calling at Exeter Central, Pinhoe, Cranbrook, Wimpole, Fennerton, Honiton, Axminster, Crewkerne, Yeovil Junction.
Okay guys, so we're back in the video and about to go out now will be the South Western Railway service to London Waterloo. Should have a cross-country service to Leeds coming in shortly as well. That one's running slightly late. A lot of people over on platform 5, as you can clearly see. So indeed, that all those people waiting on platform 3 went on that Barnstable service. My god, glad I wasn't going on that train. One 159018 at the front of this one. That was 159016 at the back. There's the cross-country service to Leeds, just a 4-car Roger. And yeah, that train is packed as well. Glad I'm not on that one either. 221132 is the number on that train. Actually, if that's 221132, that should be 5-car, not 4. So yeah, I'll be back very shortly. Okay, coming in now will be a Great Western Railway service to Paignton. On 50239. Still looking rather filthy as always. will now be at the front. We have a late running cross-country service coming in from Glasgow Central going to Plymouth. That one's running, I think they say, I think that was 40 minutes late it's running. Due to a points failure somewhere along the line. So, yeah. So, we'll be back very shortly. Yeah. be that shortly. Okay, going out now will be the late running cross-country service to Plymouth, 220-030. I think it experienced some technical difficulties on this Roger, the doors. Okay, going out now will be the Great Eastern Railway service to Paynton, on time as well. (243) now leading the way. Okay, coming in now will be a Great Eastern Railway service to Exmouth. Turbo on this one.
Platform 3B for the 1740 Great Western Railway service to Oakhampton, calling at Crediton and Oakhampton. This train has 2 coaches. Platform 3B for the 1740 Great Western Railway service to Oakhampton.
(166) 217. Okay guys, coming in now will be a Great Eastern Railway service to Oakhampton. It's 150 244. Must admit, what a lovely sunny afternoon, eh? Well, sunny evening now, and it's coming up to the evening, but yeah. And the sheet is on time as well. Okay, well, as soon as I turn the camera off, we got the service to Exmouth now going out. Excellent. Okay guys, so we got a
For your own safety, you are reminded to stand behind the yellow line.
got a Great Eastern Railway service coming in, going to Axminster, 158 950. We'll come at this end. It's good to see that this service is actually running to Exeter for once, because I know this service has had many problems of being cancelled and whatnot. This service to Exeter is actually running today, would you believe? So good to see. Right, I'm going to turn your attention to this 158 on platform 2. So I can down there see which one this is. And it's the 158798. I'm not sure if that will be used for a passenger service or not. I'm assuming it will at some point, but I don't know if it will be today. I'll zoom into it. There you go. There's 798. I don't know if you can clearly see it, but that is the 798 in the bay platform there. Okay. That's it for now. We'll be back shortly. Okay guys, so we got two trains coming in. We got a cross-country service from Edinburgh going to Penzance, double voyage on this one, and we'll have a terminated South Western Railway service from London Waterloo. Both of the trains are more or less on time. 220-012 is at the front. We're 220-008 at the back. There's the South Western Railway service, 159021. The catch number at the back as it goes out to the siding. So yeah, that's about it. So we'll be back shortly. Okay guys, we're back in the video, and coming in now is a Great Western Railway service from Newquay going to London Panton. We got that cross-country service to Plymouth just left as well. What a lovely sunny evening, eh? Uh, 802-114 is the number on this train. Looks to be a 9-car one. Okie dokie, we'll be back shortly. Okay, so it's 159101 at the back. Apologies on my part of my phone case getting in the way again. I'm in the process of trying to sort it out, but yeah, I might have to buy a new phone case to sort it out. Gonna keep the camera rolling for this service to London Paddington. Yeah, that's the said. Not sure that 798 will be used in service or not, but yeah, it's just there on the blade platform anyway. Believe it or not, that's on time as well. Happy days. Okay, so as she goes out, I'm going to leave it here at Exeter St David's on this very sunny Friday, well, late Friday afternoon come evening. I hope you all enjoyed the selection of trains in this video from all the 150s we saw, Southwestern 159s, we saw some turbos, we saw some IATs, we saw some cross-country voyages. The only trains we didn't see was no HSTs in this video today, which is a bit of a fortunate situation. So I suppose you can't win them all, I suppose, but you know, nonetheless, still a nice little extra video for me to upload, and hopefully for all of you guys to enjoy. So my next video will hopefully actually be tomorrow morning. I'm hoping to go to Taunton to record the rail tours, all these rail tours that are coming down tomorrow. Like I said, I won't be able to record all the rail tours journeys back through in the evening, but I'll be able to hopefully record the rail tours that do come down in the morning. So I will hopefully do that video, all being well, guys. So until next time, from me here at a very gloriously sunny Exeter St David's, I shall see you all soon, guys. Take care.